In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Trello to Excel using the CSV export option. Exporting data from Trello can be an invaluable tool for managing and analyzing your projects offline, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the site, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to hit the login button, which is typically located towards the upper right side of the screen. Trello offers a couple of different login options, allowing you to enter with either your email or via a Google account. Choose the option that works best for you and log in to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to go to your list of boards. You can do this by selecting Boards from the Trello homepage menu. Here you should see an overview of all the boards that are associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the board that contains the data you want to export. It should be listed under the Your Workspaces section, which organizes all your boards nicely for better accessibility. Once you've found the board you're interested in, simply click on it to open it up. This action will take you to the main interface of that specific board, showcasing all of the lists and cards contained within it. The next step is to look towards the upper right corner of the window, where you'll find three dots that represent additional options. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to find and select the option that says Print, Export and Share. Clicking this will present you with a few more choices regarding how you can handle the board's data. Among these choices, you should see Export as CSV. CSV stands for comma separated values, and it's a straightforward format that Excel can easily interpret. Click this option and Trello will automatically start a download of your board's data, saved as a CSV file. This file can then be opened and further manipulated in Excel or any other spreadsheet application you prefer. That's it, you've successfully exported your Trello board to a CSV file. This process is essential for anyone looking to analyze their data offline or simply maintain a backup of their work in a format that's easy to read and share. With practice, you'll find that exporting data from Trello is a breeze, and it can significantly enhance how you manage and interact with your projects. Thank you for watching and happy exporting.